Wow! Curb appeal and ready for new owners. Popular floor plan in this 3-bedroom/2-bath single-story home in Southwest Medford with upgrades. Tray ceilings in the living room, wood-clad bath, new porcelain floors, new carpet, new paint, primary bedroom with ensuite bath and slider to private hot tub, ceiling fans, skylight, AC and a finished garage. Certified wood stove reduces utility costs, plenty of storage in the attic. Outdoors, you'll find a fully fenced backyard, garden, sprinklers in the front and back for the most pristine lawn and landscaping, dog run, covered patio, hot tub, oversized driveway, and RV parking the full length of the lot at over 70 feet. All on a quiet street. Don't wait or it will be gone.